when I'm lonely in the dark. I know you are with me.
Hey guys, Life with Chris back again with another amazing video. So today we're going up to Southport to UK Hotcars to one of my mates' car meets. As you can see in the background, Andy's in his Mustang, Aaron's coming in his new car, I've got my car, and then Dean is in his car. So what we'll do, we'll head up to Southport and I'll be back with you as soon as we get there. Yes, man, how are you?
S-Max. Hello,
Yes,
Mr.
Mr. Policeman.
We've also got
So as you can see now guys, it's settled down a bit, cars have stopped coming in for now and everybody's just having a walk around looking at all the cars here. What I'll do, hey, the man himself,
Hey, how
Dan, UK Hotcars, big shout out to him. Go down to this corner. Big shout out to UK Hotcars on YouTube. Go over to his channel, make sure you subscribe for all the car meets and all the garage stuff. You know what? Right guys, so today we are up at Southport, UK Hotcars. So what I'll do, I'll have a little walk around now of all the cars that are already parked up. And then later on we'll get some cars coming in and out. Hey, look at that wrap. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I am going to go away from that music so I don't get demonetised.
So I did my research and I ended up going for, because it's got back seats. Yeah. Kind of settled, it's like, okay, I can see one of that.
It's got the ST now. He had the normal one, he's just got the ST instead. I love that plate, mate.
was background me though.
Look at that. Bayside blue, one of the best colours in the skyline, isn't it? Wow. Yeah, Ricky.
Yeah. I found out about that. No way. It's like
G's 350Z, proper 350Z as well, with all the glow in the dark harder dip. We've got Claire's Mustang here, next to Dan's Mustang. Absolutely unreal pair this. And later on the video, we've got a little treat for this. Dan's just had his exhaust done, and as you can see, danger, fire. So he will be popping some flames later on, guys. I'll get that on video as well. And his new Lexus. It's nice that in it on bags as well. A couple more cars coming in, it's filling up already. Only starts at 12 o'clock. No, look at that, innit? Look at that, guys. Absolutely unreal. So what I'll do, I'll get a couple of cars coming in now. Night Rider lights. Hey, I need some of them on, man. Big shout out to Wigan car scene, as well as UK Hotcars. Old school and backdated. Oh, proper R32 as well. Golf R32. Are you glad you didn't get a VXR now, Andy? Another Insignia, the harder dip under the bonnet. So what we'll do, we'll have a little walk up to the back end now. And as you can tell, it is filling up nicely. I'm having one of these one day still. R33 Skyline. It's been on my little... Yeah, bath crew. Yeah. He is Aaron's beast, little Kia. I don't know where Aaron's walked off to. We'll find him soon. We'll have a look at these cars that are parking up. Got that R32 there. No, that's a proper R32 innit, not a Golf. A Skyline R32. Wow. That's the life, innit? Baby seat in front, driving an R32 Skyline. Integra as well.
That's one person ever going to do it.
Got kids now, I'm not bothered, still keeping it.
Sell the car, get rid of white.
Yep.
Get rid of white.
So what we'll do, guys, I'm going to stop recording here, have a little walk around, wait for some more cars come in, and then I'll be back with you. So for me, it'll be about 10-15 minutes. For you, it will literally be. So here he is now, guys. Here he is. Dan's starting the Mustang up already, getting ready. Sorry. Wait till you see these flames. As you can hear in the background, guys, Dan's starting his Mustang, he's just letting it warm up, and then we're getting some big pops and some big flames, so let's see. Mustang, Sally.
Put it behind. Yeah. Look at that. Where's he doing it? That's what it was. Kyle, where's he going? Rear end there. I'm doing it there, leave it there. I think he wants it.
Oh. Put it in middle of corners. Sorry, pal. Right guys, so as I'm editing this footage right now, unfortunately I've noticed I've lost a lot of footage. We had bits of cars coming in, cars leaving the meet. We even went around talking to people and looking at the cars, and unfortunately I've lost all that footage. So I am so sorry that this has been such a short video. But if you guys can do me a big massive favour and go over right in this corner to the Dip Monkey Garage on YouTube, show Dan and the guys at UK Hotcars all that support, that will be absolutely unreal. And another one, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you guys so much. We have just hit 10,000 subscribers, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to be doing a 10,000 subscriber special. Tongue twister that then. So I will, whatever you guys want me to do for this 10,000 subscriber special, comment down below and we'll do it. We want to do something big and something not seen before and take over. We are coming over this YouTube. Next challenge, 50,000 subscribers. Let's hit that. Share it about, get them likes in, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. It's goodbye from Life with Chris.